Hello budding artists and creative minds. Welcome to my channel Watching You. Today, I'll be drawing and walking you through the character Sky from Incredibox Sprunki. I used the cap of a bottle to draw the curve easily and quickly. You can try this method too, or you can even use a compass to draw the curved part. If you are good at freehand drawing, you can try that as well. Sky is one of the most endearing characters in the Incredibox mod Sprunki. As the 10th character and the 5th effect, Sky stands out with his serene and heartwarming presence. His cyan or sky blue appearance, complemented by circular, bear-shaped ears and a playful cowlick, gives him an undeniably charming look. I find his calm demeanor quite unique, especially considering the dynamic and energetic nature of many other Sprunki characters. What intrigues me most about Sky is his age and personality. At just 14 years old, he is the youngest among the Sprunkis, which sets him apart from the rest who are over 18. His youthfulness adds a layer of innocence to his character, and I appreciate how this is reflected in his hobby of collecting teddy bears that resemble him. It's a small but delightful detail that makes him feel relatable and genuine. Despite his age, his average height aligns with his age group, making him blend seamlessly with his peers while maintaining his individuality. Another fascinating aspect of Sky is his name. It's the shortest among the Sprunkis, with only 3 letters, and it is directly inspired by his color, much like other Sprunkis such as black, gray, orange, purple, and pinky. This simplicity adds to his charm, and I find it interesting that his color matches the eyes and mouth of Funbot, creating a subtle visual connection within the mod. Sky's sound design is also worth noting. While he is categorized as an effect, his sound leans more towards melodic characteristics, making him stand out when compared to characters like Durple. This unique blend of melody and calmness enhances his identity within the Sprunki universe. Overall, Sky's combination of youth, calm demeanor, and bright, heartwarming style makes him one of the most captivating characters in the mod from my perspective. The colors I used for his body and ears are turquoise blue, with aqua blue for shading the inner ears. As usual, I used a black gel pen to draw the sketch and, in the end, to outline it to make the picture look bolder and to correct any uneven or color-smudged areas. I drew other characters from Sprunki, such as Wenda, Veneria, Mr. Tree, Durple, Gray, Ratty, Mr. Funbot, Brud, Owax, and many more. I have included clickable links at the top of the page and at the end of the video. You can check out those videos as well. Kindly leave a comment letting me know whether you liked this video or share your thoughts about it, it really helps. See you soon in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.